James
James
chapter 2,
chapter 2
10 to 18.
10 to 18.
For whoever
whoever
keeps the whole law
keeps the whole law
but fails in
but fails in
one point
one point
has become
has become
accountable for all
accountable for all
of it.
of it.
For he
For he
who said,
who said,
do not commit adultery,
do not commit adultery,
also said,
also said,
do not murder.
do not murder.
If you do not commit adultery
If you do not commit adultery,
but do murder,
but do murder,
you have become a
you have become a
transgressor
transgressor
of the law.
of the law.
So speak
So speak
and so act
and so act
as those
as those
who are to be
who
judged
are to be judged
under the law
under the law
of liberty.
of liberty.
For judgment
For
is
judgment is
without mercy
without mercy
to one
to one
who has shown
who has shown
no mercy.
no mercy.
Mercy
Mercy
triumphs over judgment.
trumps over judgment.
What good is it,
What good is it,
my brothers,
my brother,
if someone says
if someone says
he has faith
he has faith
but does not have works?
but does not have works?
Can that faith
Can that faith
save him?
save him?
If a brother or sister
If a brother or sister
is poorly
is poorly
clothed
clothed
and lacking
and lacking
in daily food,
in daily food,
and one of you says
and one of you says
to them,
to them,
go in peace,
go in peace,
be warmed
be warmed
and filled,
and filled,
without giving them
without giving them
the things needed
the
for
things needed for
the body,
the body.
what good is that?
What good is that?
So also faith
So also faith
by itself,
by itself,
if does not have works,
if does not have works,
is dead.
he is dead.
But someone will say,
But someone will say,
you have faith
you have faith
and I have works.
and I have works.
Show me your faith
Show me your faith
apart from
apart from
your works,
your works,
and I will show you
and I will show you
my faith
my faith
by my
by my
works.
works.